get this back on there. Why is it? Sorry.
Hey guys, this week, we're getting to the end of summer. We're gonna hold on to that summer feeling. This week we have a watermelon frosé that is just gonna cool you down. Now what we're gonna do, we've got some frozen watermelon here already in our blender, and we're gonna add a little bit of stuff here. We wanna add just a little bit of lime juice. So let's get some of that lime juice in there. You can use fresh lime juice. And then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of honey too. So get your little honey bear out, flip that up, and just, not too much, just a little squirt like that. I think that should be enough there. I'd say about 2 tablespoons or so. And then we're gonna use our Scuppernong blush as our thing to make this frosé, okay? So this is what's gonna make it that frosé. And about a cup, that should be about a cup, I believe. Close enough anyway. So what we don't want to do is we don't get it too watered down. We want this to be nice and slushy. So we're gonna put our lid on, we're gonna put the top on, and you're just gonna blend this right up. So let's go with that blending. So we're gonna add just a little bit more wine. Probably what we got in the end of this is about a half a bottle is what we're gonna end up using, because we had a lot of watermelon in there. Now if you use less watermelon, use less of that wine. And go just a little bit more. That looks more like what we're looking for. Be beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. That is exactly what we're looking for there. That is just the right consistency. We'll fill it up to about right there, because we're gonna have to add a little bit of a garnish here. And what we got some watermelon slices. Just put those right in there like that. And that just looks beautiful, doesn't it? That's something you want to serve at a fine dining restaurant.